nagsisiesta lang kami. Kanina yung Coke na cute. Ngayon, syempre, ito napapanood natin to. Especially kay Sir JM. So, titikman natin ang VLT na iced tea. It's currently 3:41. Mamaya pa kami lalabas. We're just taking time to rest para mamaya night crawl tayo. Okay guys, we are trying this one. Ang ganda pa rin ng lighting dito. It's facing the wide windows. Ayan. Diba? Nakatulog na akong konti, tapos nagising lang. Pinulikot yung paa ko. Siguro sobrang lamig ng aircon. Sobrang pagod ng mga muscles ko. So try natin tong VLT na iced tea. Sarap. Para siyang sola, pero I think this is better kasi walang love it. We are trying the, akala namin grapes. But I don't know if it's grapes or it's a parang plum. You know? Pero masarap siya. This one, no? Nakakagulat lang kasi. Ina-expect mo lasang grapes. Texture niya grape. Pero I think it's... Parang siyang very blunt. Sorry, ignorante ako dito. If you guys know what kind of fruit is this. Parang siyang plum eh. Plum na... No. Para sa akin, okay naman siya. Hello! Update lang po. It's already 6 o'clock in the evening. And ito na yung situation ngayon. I don't know if you could see it. Yan. Oops. Tapos, we are going out. We're going to K11. And check out Pop Mart. For the birthday girl. Nalaman namin may Pop Mart na malapit dito sa may nagsistayhan namin dito sa may Chimchatsui. And check out Animika ang mga labubus. Then after that, we go to the Victoria Harbor or Avenue of the Stars sa may Times Square, whatever. And enjoy the Symphony of Lights. Tapos dinner and food trip and everything. So let's go. Come on. Ready? G. Ate. Wow. Mika. Hi, Mika. Ama. Mama Teen.
Helicopter.
Helicopter. We are going out tonight. Punta kami ng K11 Mall.
Go.
Ganda na elevator niya, scenic. Wearing our Astro stuff scarves. So ito na naman tayo. Hindi natin alam kung tama yung ginagawa ni Google Map, pero most likely dito tayo. So yun na nga guys, tayo po ay naglalakad dito sa Layton Road. This is just like a few steps out of our hotel. And because we're going to K11 Mall, right ate? This is Hong Kong at night. Woo. Over there, pag diniretso mo, Victoria Harbor na yan. But we're taking the MRT going to Chimchatsui para hindi naman ganon ka layo yung lalakarin natin. Kasi we're with the kids and kasama natin si mommy. Pero ang sarap ng weather, parang alanganing Baguio, alanganing Tagaytay. Bitin ako sa tulog pero wala, kailangan natin mamasyal eh. Give up na nga namin yung the tram today. Pero siguro bawi kami tonight after 11 para mapagbigyan si Shobe. Diretso na kami ng Victoria Harbor to watch the Symphony of Lights. And after that, dinner time and food trip and night market, whatever. This is Jordan Street, guys. See, one of the more recognized location there. Jordan Street. We're gonna take the lift. We are using our Octopus card for our MRT ride. There. Buti lang may lift kasi mahirap bumaba, right? We're taking the lift down. Go to the trains. Yun. That's K11, Mika.
Wala pa yung pinupuntahan natin.
Kaya?
Oo naman.
Alright, that's K11 mo. Yan. Pasok tayo dahil nandyan yung Pop Mart ni Mika. Masayang bata. Okay guys, so dito tayo sa Pop Mart here at K11 Art Mall. And isa to sa mga nilook forward ni Mika. Although nag-open na siya pa yung Pop Mart sa SM MOA. Pero dito, yan sa Hong Kong. Pop Mart. So nandun sila sa loob ngayon pumipili ng kanilang Labubu. Nick, how was it, Mika? Uy, ang saya niya. Picture kita, picture. Mika. Thank you kay Mama P. Wow. We are here at Victoria Harbor. Hello, we are here at the Victoria Harbor and Avenue of Stars, whatever you call it. Tapos sa likod namin is the K11 Musea Mall. We're just killing time and waiting for the Symphony of Lights to happen. Isa ito sa mga nilook forward natin na mapanood. Medyo tiring lang yung lakad, but I think it's worth it. After nito we're going to have dinner na street food stroll along Nathan Road, Tsim Sha Tsui area before heading back to the hotel. Our first day in Hong Kong is like medyo tricky. May mga change of plans, but we managed to go on with the flow. May mga hindi lang nasunod, pero meron din kami mga bagong nagawa. So right now, we're waiting for the Symphony of Lights. Sarap ng hangin, presko, and finally, nakita na rin natin to. Look at that view. Wow! Diba? Ganda. Oh. Nikita! Si ate. Hanggang doon. Hi everybody, mga pamangkings at pamangqueens. Ang Tito Hans nyo nandito sa Victoria Harbor here in Hong Kong. Na-enjoy natin ating first night. As you can see at my back is the skyline of the buildings here on the other side of the harbor. Pero dito tayo sa Tsim Sha Tsui area. And sobrang sarap ng hangin dito. We are just enjoying. Kanina, nakapag-rest din kami nung afternoon. We have a good sleep. And syempre, ngayon naman lumabas kami for a night out. Dumaan kami sa Pop Mart kanina at walang labubu eh. So, iba lang yung ating nabili for Mika. Pero meron naman siyang labubu na baon-baon for this trip. Tapos, after this, we are waiting for the Symphony of Lights, which is a exhibition of mga ilaw dun sa likod na nakikita na yan, sa mga building na yan. Yun, ini-enjoy lang namin. Ang sarap ng hangin, ang lamig. Makaranas man lang ng konting ginaw kasi mainit sa Pilipinas. Tomorrow, marami tayong activities in line and I hope na kayanin ng powers. And siguro mag-enjoy kami ng gabi as we stroll along our way going back to our hotel. Street foods, we might eat at a certain restaurant like Cafe de Coral na hindi namin nakainan kaninang umaga or lunch. So stay tuned and I hope you guys enjoyed the first day and marami pa tayong clips after this, okay? Okay guys, Symphony of Lights is happening at the back. ka! Ate! Okay, kakain na kami. Just came out from K11 Musea, which is a very fabulous mall. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa, I don't know what's this road, but yun na yung Hong Kong Cultural Center. Tapos doon tayo galing kanina, sa likod niyan yung dagat. So we're going back to Nathan Road, which is over there. Tapos maglalakad na tayo towards Cafe de Coral. Sana makakain na tayo sa Cafe de Coral na kanina pa natin pinapangarap kumain. So ayun, tatawid tayo.
Abay China.
So that is the very famous sound of the pedestrian crossing here sa Hong Kong. Sa wakas narinig ko na rin siya. Okay, so we're heading back to Nathan Road. Over here is the Peninsula Hotel. Ganda oh. Maganda talaga ang Peninsula. Tawid tayo ulit. Dito pala yun. Matutututut. Matutututut. Alright guys, Tsim Sha Tsui area. And nandito na tayo sa the infamous Chungking Mansion. This is the infamous Chungking Mansions guys. Sa loob niyan maraming Pinoy, tas money changer. Dito yung mga murang hotel. Finally! Masaya na ako sa wakas. Kanina pa nila ako naririnig na Cafe de Coral ng Cafe de Coral. So, nandito na kami ngayon. Same building as Chungking Mansion. So, may Sasa rin here. Parang ano yan, Watsons. May Watsons din dito. So, this is Cafe de Coral. Okay. So, this is where we're gonna be having our breakfast. Okay guys, finally we're here at Cafe de Coral. And dito kami magdi-dinner after the Symphony of Lights. Ang ganda ng sistema nila dito. Kanina nalilito pa kami. Nag-order kami dun sa machine. Tapos print yung voucher. Tapos ilalabas lang yung food mo dito. Galing! Ang easy! Okay, this is the order of my mother. Kaya Mars. Ito na yung order. Kasi nag-add na pala may rice na. Bali, uwi na lang natin. Cafe de Coral dinner. Mika is having New Zealand steak as well as Amatin is plant-based spaghetti, of course. Diet. Tapos, soup for mommy. Fried rice, roast pork, pork leg. Ito sa akin, pork chop. The soup in onion sauce. Grabe, sarap. Checking Sasa. Uy, Joe Malone.
Joe Malone?
Perfume.
Tingnan mo yung bathroom dito. Ang cute. Look at this.
Ha? Fishing pin?
So cute. Diba?
Okay si ate. Ang yun ng makeup. Ayan, lipi. From Sasa. At least you have something from Sasa. Sa baba kasi ng restaurant may Sasa. Umulan. Alam guys, naintindihan ko na bakit sobrang mahal dito sa area na to kasi very, very active. Naku, kakakain lang natin. Paano tayo mag-street food? Let's check out. Ooh. Umulan lang nung kumain tayo. Jollibee is there. Ha? Oh, ay, ang cute oh. Jollibee. This is I-Square. Kita. Tin. Your favorite niya. Somebody's happy. Oh, wait na. Yan, tsaka octopus. Octopus. Ito, gusto ko to. Yan. One, only one. Okay.
One lang? Sure
Sana
ka?
pala dito kumain.
Sure ka isa lang?
Yes.
Yung hotdog, isa lang binili ko. Hindi ka. Yung isa lang hotdog ko, isa lang. Gusto niyo pa?
You want hot dog?
Ayaw? 80. 80? Ayaw mo hotdog?
She's happy with her mommy pancakes. Pero mas maganda dun sa isang, bukas hanapin natin yung may flavors. Tapos si Ama, yan nga natin. Octopus, isaw. Isaw ba to?
Kasi ito.
Okay, sabi niya very spicy. Tingnan natin.
Yung octopus. Kasi,
Hop. Hop. I'll try the Katong fish ba to? Octopus.
hanggang Sunday.
Good.
Hanggang Sunday.
May Thai restaurant dito. Ayaw ko yan.
Alam mo, hanggang Sunday.
Busog.
Napirahan lang, malit lang.
Bagay pa yung sa toyo, suka na. Good. Saya? Are you happy, baby? Kahit pagod? Bali, it's still day 1. Marami pa tayong, bukas gawa ko na itinerary. Sobra kasing hectic nung sked namin today since it's arrival day. Alam nyo, habang kumakain kami, umulan pala. Buti na lang, kumakain tayo, hindi natin na-experience. Na paglabas namin, basa na yung paligid. But, okay lang naman. Uwi na mga persons. Shall we call it a day? So guys, kanina nung papunta kami dito, nag-MRT kami. Pero now we decided to walk since busog na busog kami. Para gutom na naman kami ulit. Namig na. Medyo nag-drizzle. Ano yan? May discussion si Bambini. Alam niyo guys, natutuwa ako kasi before we went here, katakot-takot na research, katakot-takot na nanonood ng mga vlog. Salamat sa mga vlogger and content creators na walang sawang nag-upload ng mga content about travel, lalo na yung mga idols natin. Sila Sir J.M. Bangkiso, Ivan de Guzman, si Marvin Samaco, na sobrang helpful talaga yung mga videos nila when it comes to pag-time na naming mag-travel. So yun, we've decided to walk para matunaw ang aming ginakain. Nakakatuwa. Ang saya-saya. Happy ka, mother? Anong pinakagusto mong ginawa natin today? Bukod sa kumain o kumain. Octopus daw. Masarap yung octopus.
Plus, hotdog syempre.
Hotdog. Mamaya kapag dating natin doon, for sure gutom tayo. Ha? Pili tayong coco. Meron pa. Kaya pa yun. Ang haba pala guys. Kaya nag-stop by kami dito sa isang parang chocolate shop and snack shop. to buy some. Ano binili mo? Wala si Shobe lang? Okay. Actually, nagpahangin lang kami sa air curtain. Okay, another walk, we're ready. Sabi ni ate, ayaw na daw niya umuwi ng Philippines. Tama ba, te? You check it out if your pajamas are there. Meron ako mga siningit there na pajama. Okay guys, we're back at the hotel. Nagkamali ako doon na medyo malayo yung nalakad namin. But I guess I'm calling it a day. And yeah, good luck. Tingnan natin kung ano yung masasama natin mga clips all throughout the day. And thank you guys for watching. But basically that's for day 1 with all of us. Very happy with aching feet and bodies. See you in the next video.